Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your medical insurance status using your Emirates ID quickly and easily. First, open your browser and go to the official health authority or insurance verification website for your Emirate, such as the DHA or DOH portal, depending on where you live. Once the page loads, look for the option called Insurance Status Check or Eligibility Verification. Click on that option and you will see a form asking for your Emirates ID number. Carefully enter the full Emirates ID exactly as it appears on your card. Some portals may also ask you to complete a simple CAPTCHA for security. After entering the details, click the Search or Submit button. The system will then display your medical insurance information, including whether your policy is active, the insurance provider, and the coverage period. If your insurance is not active or information does not appear, you may need to contact your employer or insurance company to confirm your policy status and update your records. Subscribe the channel for more videos.